ingredients. All together is 10 different kinds of ingredients. Okay, are you seeing? Number one, what is that? What is that? Butter. Everyone say butter.
Butter. Okay. And pepperoni. Okay, let's switch it like this. Yeah. Okay, so mix it. Hold the bowl, hold the whisk. Mix.
One,
Go.
and
Take turns.
okay, each person. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So Doris first. One hand hold the ball, one hand hold the whisk. Okay.
Go. Ready? See, you're going up, no, down. Okay, that's not mixing, that's just moving the whisk. Move the batter.
Oh, this team is very well. Nice. Whoa. So already 3 ingredients. Now it's number 4.
Okay. Add the egg all at once. And now you need to mix nice and strong.
Okay, you want to mix your hand?
Okay, make sure you strike on the side. It's not getting anything.
Number 4. Egg. Okay, remember already 4 different kind of ingredients. Mix well with egg.
Yeah, mix in the egg so that you can't see the egg anymore.
Did you say cannot see egg anymore? Mix.
Use your arm power. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Arm power. Mix, like that. Yes. Thanks, good job. Yes. There. Stronger.
Vanilla.
No banana. Vanilla.
Not banana, okay? Vanilla. You know ice cream? Ice cream always have a vanilla flavor, right?
Good job. You still got some butter on the side. Make sure you mix it down. Okay, now we need flour. Add all of it. There. Okay, when we mix it slowly. Not like this. Do around and over. Around and over.
So how many ingredients we have? 7 already? Ready? Okay, let's try again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, vanilla, 6, salt, 7, baking soda. Okay, already 7. Lucky 7. Number 1, water. Number 2, 3,
Brown sugar.
4, salt. Okay, 5, 8, 6,
Vanilla.
7.
Baking soda.
Number 8.
Remember?
Oh.
9. But one thing is like a
Flour.
flower. Okay, can you remember? But not flower, like flower. Just sounds the same but different word. Understand? Okay, so can you remember the 10 ingredients?
Each person do 3. Okay, this is only room for 2. So 1, 2. Olivia and Nancy, you can go. Does it smell good? Can you smell the cookies?
Oh, not paper. Oh,